Hello and good morning, third graders. Just a few announcements for you. First of all, today, which is Monday, May 15th, and tomorrow, Monday, May 16th, we will be taking the iReady diagnostics during our live class. That will be the only live sessions that we have for today and tomorrow. For all of these grade check-in quizzes, I wanted to show you what I'd like for you to do. So I'm right now on the calendar, and if you're unable to see the calendar, make sure you're clicking from the left-hand side. You can also choose week, month, or agenda view. Right now I'm in month view. I wanted you to notice that the last assignments you'll see are this Friday, May 19th. That's because our Canvas modules will lock and close. So the last week for you to complete any missing assignments is this week. We still have school next week, and the last day of school is the 25th. But there will be no Canvas assignments. So we'll have live sessions next week, just not any work in Canvas. So these semester strong starts, those are not actually assignments. Those are just a 10-point grade that I gave you at the beginning of the semester so that you all started with an A+. Then if you wanted to keep that A, you have to keep up on your assignments and make sure you're completing things weekly. I wanted to also tell you that if for some reason you're not seeing all of the music, science, social studies, things like that on your calendar, make sure they're clicked over here. So for example, if I uncheck math, music, and PE, did you notice how all of those just kind of disappeared? So make sure you have clicked onto each one of your courses so that they appear on your calendar. Let's take a look at the English Language Arts check-in. I want you each to know what your grade is for each course. This is a 50-point graded survey. So as long as you complete each one of these, that's worth quite a few points, 50 points for each one of these. Let's take a look at what the questions are like. Number 1, which of the following represents your current grade in English Language Arts, or ELA, right now? Choose which one represents your grade. If you're not sure, click over to your dashboard. Your dashboard will tell you your grade in every single subject. Then, question 2, which of the following represents the number of missing assignments you have in English Language Arts right now? Check missing assignments by watching this quick YouTube video. So if you're not sure how to go find your missing assignments, watch this video. It will show you that going to grades in each subject will give you a list of your missing assignments. So choose which one of these reflects how many missing assignments you have for ELA. Question 3. I know that all third grade modules will close and lock on Friday, May 19th at 11:59 p.m. and will not be able to work on my assignments after that date. True or false? I know I've said this a million times, but I still feel like there's some kiddos that need to know that the last day of modules being open is this Friday. The next question, what do you hope to accomplish this week? If you have missing work, write your goal for the week here. Which missing assignments do you hope to complete? List those here. If you don't have missing work, just write an academic goal that you have for ELA this week, such as reading for fun, maybe on EPIC or Sora. Just make sure you fill something in that blank. Do you have any questions for me? If so, type them here. If not, just type a no in the blank. Question 6. Do you want to be invited to a live help session on Wednesday, May 17th at 1 p.m. to work on your grade or missing work? If so, yes, please. If not, no thanks, I got this. Then submit quiz. Just by submitting the survey for each one of your courses, you'll receive an extra 50 points. So I want students to be responsible and to know that, hey, this is the last week to work on your work. What do I have to do to get caught up? The rest of the week, third grade memory book. This is technically not due until Thursday. I just added it on your calendar for Tuesday, so you're not waiting until Thursday. This is a way to keep your third grade memories all in one place. So you'll tell a little bit about me, all about my friends, all about my teacher, what your school day is like, what have you learned, moments to remember, and summer plans. This should be a fun activity for you. Just so you know, it's on the calendar for Tuesday, but I'm going to edit the due date and make it due on Thursday. But I just wanted you to know that that's available for you to work on at any time this week. Okay, a couple more things. Your iReady diagnostics count for your 45 minutes of iReady time this week. And Thursday, no live classes. I will be taking the day off on that day. So today and tomorrow, iReady Diagnostics, 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. You come, we'll show you how to get logged in on that diagnostic, and we want you to do your very, very best. Okay, kiddos, see you soon.